I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, March 8th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to PillyMedia at pilly.k12.ion.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Feed Friday. We will show you a social media post, and you have to tell us who posted it. Here's the picture. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Jenny. This week we will be having dress-up days in honor of Boys Regional. Today is No Place Like Home, junior high wear white, freshmen and sophomore wear gold, juniors and seniors wear purple. And today is also a $1 hat day, and all proceeds will go to Cale Kibler's family. Tomorrow morning at 10 a.m., boys varsity basketball will be against Linton for regionals. The theme is Jersey. Come support your Rams in action at regionals. Back to you, Joni.
Drama Club 80s Karaoke Night has been postponed till spring. Contact Mrs. Wisher if you have any questions. And now to Aiden with your weather report.
As you can see, there may be a light rain and snow mix throughout your day. Tomorrow we will be looking at some thunderstorms. Today we have a high of 41, and we have a low of 34. And going into the end of your week, we have on Saturday a high of 60 and a low of 39. And on Sunday, we have a high of 49 and a low of 31. Back to you, Joni.
Congratulations to Stella Windhorst for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Ty Lawson. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.